Good afternoon, fellow traders. It's Black Coffee Trader coming to you on Wednesday, March the 18th. I did not trade yesterday. Took the day off. In fact, I didn't even look at the markets at all the entire day. But I did see that we had a big move pre-market, and then today we had the same thing again. I had a red day today, down $1,100. Lost two more Apex accounts, and it is what it is. And here's my mentality. These accounts that are in very low drawdown, I've got two more of them left that are at $500 and some odd dollars. These that are ones I traded on Monday, I have those back up to $700. But these accounts that are down below 1,000, there's four of them left after today. If I get into a couple red trades, I'm probably going to just try to keep working at them and try to either pass them or blow them. I'd rather just get some new evals or new funded accounts and work on those, rather than working on slowly building these back out of the hole. Don't take that the wrong way. I'm not encouraging you to just give up on an account, but I've had these for a while, and I've got a fresh new one here. I've got several more here that are actually in a decent position. So I would rather focus on that. And so, yeah, that's kind of what happened today. Took a couple trades. First trade was right here on the Russell, looking for a continued breakdown below the Tuesday. No, that's the Monday low of day. Didn't happen. Got stopped out to the tick right there, and then re-entered and got a little squeeze to the downside. Basically made up the loss, and then had a break-even trade there. And that was just kind of how the day went. And I did, understand that sometimes we do have a sideways day when it's FOMC. Kind of what happened. And I kept on taking some trades, and they just didn't work. A lot of break-evens and a couple losers, and we ended up giving back 500 and some bucks. So, hey, it is what it is. Honestly, as crazy as it sounds, I'm not that sad about it. I hate losing funded accounts. I do, but I hope you understand also, I've had these for a while, and it's just like, hey, we either need to get a move on them and get them going, or we need to just eliminate them from the arsenal and replenish. So, but anyway, that's the way the day went. I'm not going to bore you with all the trades. I took like a couple trades here on the Dow Jones. Took a couple trades here on ES, here looking for a long, and then decided to go short, got trapped. Just, again, it was some just kind of unfortunate, nasty price action. Same thing here, looking for this bounce, and looked like we went, stopped out. But, I mean, this market, big move to the downside pre-market, and then we just basically went flatline from there. So, and then, honestly, one of the most FOMC statements I have seen ever, I think, in almost 3 years of trading. I mean, we really did. I mean, just had a slow little methodical bleed lower that, give you some hope that it was going higher, and then it was just, just not good. I wanted to trade it here on the Russell. I really thought if we break below the Monday low, if I can get a retest, I would get in. I did have an order sitting like right above here, equal with this low, and we just never retested it. And I started, placing other orders with a similar stop, just smaller size. Never could get to fill, and then by the time this move went all the way down here, I took the orders off. We came back up and retested this area, but I feel like I missed that a little bit. I did see it, and I was looking for this, but we just never got a clean retest, and that was just kind of how the day went. So, hey, it is what it is. It's two more accounts gone, but so be it. So, looking at TradeZella. Hoping I could get back on the green train, but here we go. And we might, on these accounts, I'm going to probably trade these on Friday. I'm actually going to take tomorrow off, so I'm not looking at the charts tomorrow again. But maybe on Friday I'll trade these two, and we'll see if we can get some green on them like we did on these first two that we traded on Monday. And if we can, we'll restart back here, and we'll work on those again and try to push them back up, and so we have a little bit of life. That's the game plan. So there we go. The losing streak continues, but it is what it is. So anyway, thanks for following along. Appreciate y'all. Have a good day tomorrow. Again, I will not be trading tomorrow, so I'll take that day off. So like next time you'll see an update is probably on Friday. So take care. Appreciate you guys, and so long.